Today, the market sold, but politely. The S&P gave back 0.33%. Its high printed at the opening bell, and then it was one long slide. A fourth straight day under the record. And here is the twist. The fear gauge fell with it. This is the Algo Index market close for Tuesday, the 11th of August. That is the mirror image of Monday. A still index over rising fear. Today, price fell, and fear eased because the selling was orderly and walked straight to a support line the options market drew before the bell. At 77.17, and the slide stopped a quarter point above it, the session before the inflation number that erases the map. Here is what never hit your screen. Our real-time read of dealer hedging closed $11 billion net negative, the largest of the past month. Roughly $6 billion of put buying against $5 billion of call selling. That is the professional money buying downside protection, not selling the market, orderly de-risking into tomorrow's number. And the positive gamma shelf at 7,700 absorbed almost all of it. Two tells confirm it. Protection pricing kinked, so the whole event premium sits in tomorrow's expiration. And the cheapest one-month index puts trade near 14%, the lowest of the year. What pushed price lower was oil, a midday Hormuz headline that lifted crude to a one-week high and revived the inflation worry. Energy led up more than 1%, while the index slid, so this was rotation into oil. The loudest conviction of the day was not direction, it was the de-risking itself. $11 billion of net negative dealer hedging, the largest of the month, $6 billion of put buying against $5 billion of call selling. On a day the index fell 0.33%, the professional money was buying the cheapest protection of the year and refusing to guess before the number. One single name mirrored it. Tesla stayed firm and obeyed its own dealer levels to the tick. Its lower gamma strike near 330, marking the low, and its call resistance strike near 335, marking the high. When the biggest number of the month is one sleep away, the fastest money buys insurance, while it is cheap. Open the Algo Index Trading Journal for nothing over at members.algoindex.com/off/signup. And every setup you log is scored against the very price on your screen. How these dealer levels held or gave way stays in the open at algoindex.com/tools/gamma level accuracy. Tonight's written version is at algoindex.com/blog. Rest up, circle tomorrow's 8:30 inflation print, and I will see you tomorrow night.